When things get tough, you got to work harder. You got to find your way. You got to get to the top. I'm very competitive. I don't like to mess around in my practice. I treat my patients as well as anyone can dream of. I consider them friends and relatives. But I'll tell you what, there's hard times in the economy right now, and that's the biggest problem dentists face. And if you're not on your game, and if you're not ahead of the average, you're going to fall apart. The smaller practices are really disappearing. They're having a hard time. Interviewed the other day, young man worked for a practice that just hadn't really started anything new. He was an associate. They can't even afford to keep him on anymore. I'm hearing that more and more, and this is a problem. If you want to be the #1 practice in your area, if you want to lead the pack, reinvent yourself. The public is demanding overall health to be addressed in your practice, and total health. Even the leading industries, one of the largest medical and dental supply companies just came out with a program called Total Health. It is addressing all of the points that dentists now can address. It's okay, we can and we're expected to. Not only expected to, we're going to be demanded to, because in the short term there are actually some, I hate to mention these, but there's some malpractice suits going on about people overlooking things in the mouth that affected the overall health of patients. Don't get into that. Don't let yourself fall into that. Do your research. I know you will. Find your way. Get to where you need to be the #1 practice in your area. It's not that hard, and I know you can do it. So the solution is to address oral inflammation in a completely different way. Implement sleep into your practice. Also, address wellness programs that have the option for revenue sharing into your practice. Those all add to the effect of success in your practice. Give optimum care to your patients, let them know the value of it, and reduce all of those factors that can cause harm to them, and you will have the success beyond belief, success that you've dreamt of.